Okay, I am super excited, not just because I get to share a new recipe with you, but because I get to have it tonight. Alright guys, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rosanna, and today I'll be sharing with you my fish ceviche recipe. Now I'm not gonna be making it with shrimp because I just happen to be allergic. So if you're in the same boat, do not worry because I promise you, actually I guarantee you that this recipe is gonna be as good. So let's get started. So we're going straight to the point because I can't wait for the ceviche to be ready. I'm a huge fan of this delicious recipe. First, I like to cook the fish, and I'm using 4 pieces of SWAI fish, which is about 1.8 pounds. I love this fish because it has a distinct and delightful flavor that sets it apart from the rest when it comes to making ceviche. What I like to do is wrap each individual fillet in foil paper and then bake it until cooked. The foil will prevent any messes, but most important, it will lock up the flavors this particular fish produces. I know ceviche is cooked in lime juice, but as I mentioned before, I'm allergic to shellfish, and as you may know, uncooked fish can have parasites and bacteria, so cooking it with lime makes me very nervous. If you're allergic to anything, I know you understand. I might as well just keep it safe, and to be honest, it tastes as good and you have peace of mind knowing that you're not putting yourself at any risk. I encourage you to do your own research as this is my personal experience and what works for me. Okay, place your fish in the oven at a temperature of 350 degrees and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes or until fully cooked. And while that's in the oven, I would like to remind you to subscribe and don't forget to like and share and click the notification bell so every time I upload a new recipe, you are notified. Alright, once the fish is out of the oven and ready, open the foil and let it cool so we can start adding the rest of the ingredients. Once cold, with a fork, start separating until you get small pieces. This part is easy and fun. Just so you know, for our veggies, we're going to cut in small pieces as well. Everything is going to be uniform in size. First, we're adding the red onion. Nothing complicated about that. Just make sure it is in small pieces. Next, the tomatoes. And I like to take the seeds out because we don't need them. It would just add extra unwanted liquids. We don't want that. Do the same thing with the cucumber. Remove the seeds and the center. I like to use a spoon, it just makes it way easier. For a kick, I'm incorporating some minced habanero. Guys, if you like spicy, and habanero is so worth it and it's not going to ruin your meal. I was afraid at first, but now I love it. But if you don't like spicy, you can add a bell pepper for that beautiful crunchiness, or if you like jalapenos, that's also a good option. And you can always remove the inside veins. We know that's where the heat comes from. Cilantro is so important in this recipe. It contributes to flavor and enhances the aromatic fragrance. Just chop well and add. Lastly, squeeze the juice from several limes and also add the salt. The complete recipe will be down in the description area for your convenience. Mix everything until well incorporated and taste to make sure everything is well seasoned. If not, you can always add more salt. Guys, we cannot leave out the tostada. We serve ceviche in this delicious crunchy tostada, which is basically a beautiful deep fried corn tortilla that's crispy. They sell these at stores, so you can easily find them. I actually fell in love with the baked version. It is much lighter and it's such a great complement. Both are great options. You can enjoy just like that or add toppings. I love toppings. My options are fresh avocado slices, radishes, and a fresh red chili slice. That's all I need. Oh, and a leaf of cilantro as decoration. Now, time to enjoy this incredible ceviche tostada. Yay, the time has come for me to taste. And look at that, I added a piece of red chili because I'm gonna have this. Everything that I put on these is because I enjoy it myself. So let's dig in. You have to try this recipe. There's no going wrong with it. It's fresh, it's light, packed with flavor, and if you like a little bit of a kick, do not skip that habanero. Okay, we reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and remember that you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful rest of your day.